Good morning, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes. All of you know about three-dimensional shapes and two-dimensional shapes. Let us revise it once again. You know that in two-dimensional shapes, in two-dimensional, or you can say 2D shapes, those figures which have only length and breadth are come under this category of 2D shapes. So circle, rectangle, square, comma, triangle, etc. will come under this category, which all those figures which have only length and breadth. Now three-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional, or you can say 3D shapes. 3D shapes are those shapes which have length, breadth and height. You can take here the example of this cone. This cone will come under three-dimensional shapes. Similarly, this cylinder will also come in 3D shapes. This sphere will also come in three-dimensional shapes because all these figures have length, breadth and height. Similarly, cuboid, cube will also come under this category. Now, let us understand what are the faces, edges and vertices of 3D shapes. So here you can see, this is the figure of a cuboid. This is the figure of a cuboid. Let us understand here faces, vertices and edges. So the corners, all of you can see here the corners. How many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here there is 8 corners. So vertices will be 8. Sorry, 8. Similarly, how many line segments are together forming this figure? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 line segments are here. So edges of this cuboid is 12. Similarly, faces. Faces means the flat surfaces. So how many flat surfaces are here? Let us see. This is one flat surface. Mark it as 1. Let us mark it by number only. Faces. Here edges is 12. So faces. So this is face number 1. Front one. This is face number 2. This sideways is face number 3. Back side is face number 4. Top one is face number 5. And this downward face is face number 6. So number of faces is 6. Now you can say what is the nets for building 3D shapes. Nets means what are the, how the figure is being formed. You can say like this. So you can practically look out for the net and they say how these figures will be found. Suppose this is the figure. Here you can see this is the figure of a cube. Now when we talk about the nets, means how this cube has been formed. When you will open this cube, then this structure will be there. 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 and 1 square will be at top and 1 will be at this bottom. So when you will fold this top one, this one and this side one and the other two squares, then you will see that this cube will be formed. So this is the net of this cube. So similarly you will find out which one is the net of the given figure.